Now see student, this is page number 38. Here the red trap seller, okay, here the red trap seller stretched himself out on the floor and lay with a piece of pig iron under his head. Okay, now he is going to sleep. Okay, now the red trap seller is planning or going to sleep, and he is taking a piece of iron, okay, piece of raw iron under his head, just like a pillow, and his head pulled down over his eyes. And soon as the young girl caught sight of him means just see him, just see him. When the young girl enters in the when the young girl enters in the forge, okay, she saw him. Then she went up and lifted his head, okay, she went close to him. Okay, she went close to him and then take away the head from his face, okay, to see his face. The man was evidently used to sleeping with one eye open. He jumped up abruptly and seemed to be quite frightened, okay, by seeing the girl in the late night and by seeing the girl in the forge, okay, he is just frightened. Now see, my name is Edla Wilmenson, said the young girl. Here the young girl is saying her name. My father came home and said that you wanted to sleep here in the forge tonight, and then I asked permission to come here and bring you home to us. I am so sorry, Captain, that you are having such a hard time. Okay, now the girl knew that. Okay, now the young girl knew about the red trap seller, that he was a captain in a in a army, okay, but now he has a hard time, okay, now he is having a hard time, and now he is also a poor man. So she wanted to help him, okay, she wanted to help him. That's why she is here to take him home with her. Now see student, the next paragraph. She looked at him compassionately with her heavy eye, and then she noticed that the man was afraid either he has stolen something or else he has escaped from jail. Here, the reason behind afraiding, okay, the reason behind afraiding, okay, of the red trap seller, the girl is thinking that, okay, the girl is thinking that either he has stolen something. I think he is stealing something. That's why he is afraiding, okay, he is fearing or afraiding, okay, or cowarding. See here, or else he was escaped from jail. She thought and added quickly, you may be sure, Captain, that you will be allowed to leave us just as free as you came. Okay, see here, you will be allowed, okay. Don't worry, don't take it seriously that we are taking you to our house for lockup. Okay, she is saying that we will not stop you after the work has been done or the Christmas is celebrated. We will not stop you. Okay, so you can come with me and you can go as freely as you came. जैसे आप free यहाँ पे आए हो, as you can also go from here. Only please stay with us over the Christmas. Here she is saying that we want to celebrate Christmas Eve with you and Christmas Day with you. That's why, okay, that's why. Now see student, she said that in such a friendly manner that the red trap peddler must have felt confidence in her, okay, by the behavior, okay, by the saying behavior of her here convinced the red trap peddler, okay, red trap peddler. Now he is agreeing that, or now he is agree, or he will come with her, okay. Now see student, it would never have occurred to me that you would bother with me yourself, miss, he said. I will come at once, okay. He is agreeing, okay, or he is saying that I will come at once, okay. He accepted the fur coat, okay. Now he is accepting the fur coat also, okay, which is carried by the valet. Here the valet means serviceman, okay, or we can say a worker, okay, of her. which the valet handed him with a deep bow, threw it over his legs, and followed the young lady out to the carriage without granting the astonished blacksmith so much as a glance. Okay, now see student, while leaving, okay, while leaving, the blacksmith is seeing towards the red trap seller, but he didn't say anything to him. Okay, just he is leaving, or just he is going back to the girl. Now see student, but while he was riding up to the manor house, he had evil foreboding. See here, forbidding means had bad happen. Okay, bad happen means the thinking of bad, the think of bad. Here he is assuming, okay, or he is feeling that something bad will be happen to him when he enters in the manor house. See here, why the devil did I take that fellow money? Now he is thinking that, okay, now he is thinking that he had took the money of that poor man. Okay, he had took the money of the poor man, and now he is feeling about the money, and now he is fearing also. Okay, he thought, now I am sitting in the trap and will never get out of it. Now he is assuming himself that he is in a trap now, and he will not come out of it. The next day was Christmas Eve, and when the ironmaster came into the dining room for breakfast, he probably thought with the satisfaction of his old regimental comrade, whom he had run across so unexpectedly. Unexpectedly means something bad happened to him. Something bad happened to him. It means unexpectedly. Okay. Now he is just taking inquiry about his wealth, okay, and health also, and for inquiring his food and for his morning breakfast. Okay, now see student, the last line, the last paragraph. First of all, we must see to it that he gets a little flesh on his bones. Little flesh is on his bones means to get some food, okay, or to give some food to him, so that he can fill his stomach. Because he is seeing hungry. Okay, he is seeing hungry, and we must give him food to eat, he said to his daughter, who was busy at the table, and then we must see that he gets something else to do than to run around the country selling red tape. Now they are planning, okay. Now they are planning that we will think about him, okay. We will think about him, and we will stop him to sell the red tape, and something we will plan. Okay, now they are feeling that, or they are thinking that we will plan for him something good, okay, not to sell the red tape. Now see student in the next page.